Buzdar experiment doesn't seem to be working. Mr. Imran Khan has tried everything that he could try, but somehow things are just not working out. In the last couple of weeks, what has happened is that the wings of Mr. Usman Buzdar have been clipped even further, and now the decisions are being made by the bureaucracy. Except there is another problem. That problem is that PMLQ is feeling a bit unhappy because the deal that was struck with them, according to them, is not being realized fully. The terms of the agreement are now not being fulfilled. In addition to that, the fortunes of the PMLN seem to be improving, and the tension that existed between PMLQ and PMLN also seems to be relaxing a bit. So, of course, the big question is, what happens now? PMLQ is not going to walk out on PTI right now, but PMLQ does have options. What are those options? They could negotiate a better deal for themselves, because PTI's position is weaker now, not only in Punjab but also in the centre. If that doesn't work out, they can always start asking for the position of the Chief Minister of Punjab, which would be going a level higher. If they were to go the next step, they could start speaking to PMLN, because if you look at the numbers game in Punjab, if PMLN and PMLQ get together, then PTI can be thrown out of power. So ultimately, as a last resort, or perhaps the highest demand, PMLQ could technically team up with PMLN, ask for the chief ministership, and throw PTI into the opposition benches. That's not going to be very nice for PTI.